I will introduce how to make a Y2 station soldering program. At first, you need to change Y1 to Y2 station. Press stop and ESC to change YE to YR station, like this. Then move the cursor to vertical core address. Press up. Vertical core address. Then press menu 1. Move the cursor to array expend. Like this. Then press enter. So you can see the parameters, the soldering parameters expand to 0040. Now move the cursor to next line record 0041. Now we can make a soldering clean program. Press menu 1. Actually, it's the same with YE station soldering program. This is clean soldering home. Press enter to confirm. Now, because now is YR station, so press 2 to choose YR, like this. Clean solder home Y2. Press ESC. Now we can make a YR soldering program. Press X, Y, Z to move soldering home to YR. Drag begin soldering path. The operator is the same with YE. That's X, Y, Z. Please note the soldering hole must touch the soldering pad and in the middle of the soldering pad. After you find the right location of a soldering pad, press line star. You can say group. Press 1. Because why choose 1? Because the YE station drag soldering choose 1. So YR choose 1 group. The same soldering pad, you need to import the same group. Press enter. Then move soldering hole to last soldering pad of YR. The soldering hole must over the last soldering pad, like this. The same with YE. Then press line end to confirm the last drag soldering. Go on. go for next data soldering. Hold the soldering horn to avoid the soldering horn to hit the component. Rotation. Rotation make the same make the soldering horn to touch the soldering pad and in the middle of the soldering pad. Press then press start. And this, you can say the group. This you need to import 2 because YE import YE data soldering is 2. Import 2. Yeah. Press enter. Move the soldering horn to next soldering pad. Hold the soldering horn. Press XYZ to move. Then press start. Then press start to confirm the next soldering. Yeah, the same. Input 2 because they are the same soldering pad, same pad. Confirm. Now we finish the Y2 single PCB soldering program. Press home to make the soldering horn to the original location. Then you can press run to test.